Today I'm going to show you how to make Okra Dosa or okra spicy pancake. Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I'm going to show you another delicious, very easy and healthy recipe. Okra Dosa or okra uttapam. Okra has a lot of fiber and it's rich in magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin K1, vitamin A, and it's also filled with antioxidants. And they say it's good for pregnant women and good for heart. And to control your blood sugar also you can eat this. And they say it may even have cancer preventing properties. The main item you need to make this dosa is idli batter, idli or dosa batter. This is how I made this batter. I soaked 2 cups of black grams and 2 cups of idli rice and 1 cup of moong dal or green beans and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. I soaked them all in water for 5 hours and I ground them all together. And I fermented for 8 hours. Ready-made batter is available in most of the Indian grocery stores. If you're going to grind this batter, you can make dosa right away as soon as you ground, but add some ENO or baking powder. Then the dosa will come out nice and soft. If you let the batter ferment for 8 hours, then the flavor is better. The taste of the dosa comes out better. But if you're going to buy the batter from the store ready-made, you can use it right away. Ready-made batter is already fermented. I'm keeping the batter in this consistency, a little bit thick, so that you can use the same batter to make dosa, idli or uttapam. For uttapam especially, your batter should be in this consistency. So what I'm going to show you today is a very healthy and a very tasty and easy snack dish. You can use it for even breakfast or lunch or dinner, and it's very easy to make. All you need is some idli or dosa maavu. Nowadays this is sold in Indian supermarkets, so you can just buy it. You don't have to make it from the scratch. So anyone can make this snack I'm going to show you. Okay? And then okra. Okay? Okra or lady's finger. And vengayam, onion, any kind of oil, chili powder and some salt. That's all you need. Okay, let's start the cooking. Let's cut the okra and the onion into tiny pieces. The easy way to cut okra into tiny pieces is make cuts like this lengthwise and then cut it across. Instead of okra, you can use any vegetable of your choice. So we cut the okra and onion into tiny pieces. We're going to add the chili powder and salt in this and nicely mix it together. You can even add some green chilies if you want. Cut it into tiny pieces. Add salt according to your taste. Chili powder. And nicely mix it together. If you use your hand to mix it nicely, it's better. All the spices will get into the vegetable nicely. Let's add some curry leaves also. It'll give you a nice flavor and it's good for health also. I cut the curry leaves into tiny pieces. Let's add this also to the mixture. Okay, now leave this aside. Heat a pan and add a teaspoon of oil and add the batter. It's just like you make a pancake. Your batter should be a little bit thick like this, then the dosa or uttapam will come out nicely. Cover the dosa and cook it for about half a minute in low heat. By covering it, the top of the dosa is halfway cooked. You take the vegetable mixture and just sprinkle it all over the dosa. Let it cover the whole surface. And then you sprinkle a teaspoon of oil on top of the vegetable and put the lid and cook it for about another half a minute in low flame. And turn the dosa gently, turn it around and sprinkle about 1 teaspoon oil around the dosa so it won't stick. And put the lid back on. And again cook it for about a minute to 2 minutes in low flame. And open the lid. And that's it. Your dosa is done. I really don't want to cook the vegetable too much. Here is the dosa. It looks beautiful. It's so delicious. Here is your spicy okra dosa or okra uttapam. This is very delicious dish, and it's also very healthy. Your children will really enjoy this dosa. This is very healthy, and I'm sure definitely they will love this dosa. And if this is a little bit spicy for them, you can reduce the spice. And this dosa I made with less spice, less chili. And also another thing I tried was another dosa. At the end I sprinkled some Idly powder. That came out very delicious also. So just be creative. And this is dosa with the Idly podi, Idly powder. I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please click the bell button also. And subscription is 100% free. And please share this video with your family and friends. And I will be back soon with another interesting and tasty and delicious recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.